Recently, a controversial former 90 Day Fiancé cast member revealed an amazing update about their child's immigration situation. Many franchise alums have been compelled to abandon their children in order to seek a K-1 visa and relocate to the United States. In order to find love abroad, Jasmine Pineda, Larissa Lima, and Lauren Allen all abandoned their children in their home countries. When Aminata, Mina, Mac relocated from France to the United States to be with her now husband, Marc Bisset, the same thing occurred in season 11 of 90 Day Fiancé. Fans correctly found out that Mina was a former stripper, and as a result, she initially had a contentious reputation, as Mina herself admitted. In light of this, they believed that her connection with Marc, who is 23 years older than her, was all about money. But Mina showed her affection for Marc to be real, and as a result, she won over the hearts of 90 Day Fiancé viewers. Recently, Marc and Mina celebrated their 1-year wedding anniversary and 6 years of being together. They were happily married the last time viewers saw them at the tell-all for season 11, but they were still experiencing difficulties with Clayton's visa to the US, Mina's son, and Maria, Mina and Marc's daughter. The anniversary piece's comments section included a question from someone asking where Clayton was, and Mina answered by saying she hoped he was on his way. Clayton, 11, would not be able to attend Mina and Marc's wedding because of his immigration problems, and Mina was devastated and crying when she understood this. She explained how she felt like a terrible mother and how she didn't want Clayton to think that he was any less important than Maria. Therefore, it must be a persistent hit to Mina's feelings that Clayton is still not in the United States more than a year later. Nonetheless, Mina, Marc, and Maria have been to Europe many times to spend holidays with Clayton and see him. Clayton wholeheartedly backed his mother's choice to relocate to the United States and expressed his wish to accompany her, Marc, and Maria. In addition, Marc made the agreement to adopt Clayton when he arrived in the United States, and that appears to be the intention still. For the time being, Clayton resides in Paris with Mina's sister. Originally from Angola, Mina moved to France. Clayton may not be a French citizen by birth since he was born in Angola to a suspected Angolan father and would not have a French passport. This implies that Clayton would need to include French and American immigration in addition to Angolan immigration in order to travel to the United States. The hold-up must be complex for Marc, Mina, and Clayton to not be able to resolve Clayton's immigration situation. Considering Marc is a well-known pilot, it's probable that he has retained an immigration lawyer to assist him with the challenging matter. The 90 Day Fiancé pair is, however, still unsure about Clayton.